Hello, welcome back to the project that we're building. This project will look at how to make the balloon fall repeatedly. At the moment, when we click on the green flag, it just falls from the sky once and stops. We want that to repeat, and we want it to fall from a random position across the game. So what we're going to do is we're going to add another motion block to position where the balloon will actually fall from. Now at the moment it's only going to fall from a slightly different position to where it starts, so we need to use a random generator. So we want to pick a random number and we're going to use the X. So remember, the X coordinate is the across the screen, and we're going to say we want it to be somewhere from negative 200 to positive 200. And we're going to make it fall from 154. That's the vertical height. Now if I do that, it's still only going to do it once. So we need a repeat. And a repeat is iteration, it's a loop, and it's a control. So we're going to drag out repeat from the control menu. And we'll just see what it looks like after 10 times. And you can see it chooses a random spot to fall from the same height 10 times. And that is the end of this week's lesson. Next week we'll be looking at what happens when the balloon touches Scratchy.